Today we're going to do something totally different, not about Animate CC or web stuff. This is something I found online I want to share with everybody. This is a paper smartphone stand. So let's get started. Okay, so I prepared the one just letter size paper or A4 paper. I chose this color so I can show you more precisely. Okay, this is really super easy and quick. So let me show you this first. So it doesn't have to be this clean, nice paper. It could be any scrap papers or the magazine, anything's fine. So let's get started. So first fold diagonally like this. So if you have folded kind of a paper plane or paper boat, we're familiar with this. Okay, so basically we need to have some square shaped paper, and then since I don't want to use any scissors or a knife, so we're just going to fold it. Okay, here, flip it over, and let me fold this side. Use your fingernail. Now unfold it. Fold it in half. Open it and fold another half. So we're dividing into kind of 4 sections, like this here, and this one too. Okay, so we have it. Now flip it over and fold in on half again. Push hard. Unfold it. Flip it over. And do this again, make another triangle. Unfold and in opposite direction as well. Crease it. Okay, unfold it and do the same thing on this and the other half. Okay, unfold it. Unfold it. Okay, so we're almost done. Okay, so now I will start from this side first. You see it here? Okay. Fold in, push in this top side and fold it. Okay. Then open and take this flap, open it like this, and push this inside and overlap it. So we're making kind of a pyramid shape, like a cone. See here? I will do the same thing on the other side as well. Okay. Push in first, fold it, now open it, take this tab, this end corner, open push in and overlap it. And fold this middle. Okay. And place it somewhere. It's done. And place your smartphone here. Isn't it simple? So it's a kind of instant thing, but it's pretty durable. I'm using it now. Horizontal, vertical way, direction, it works fine. Okay, but the one problem is, it is okay, but if I change my point of view, maybe if I lower my point of view, then this pick may block my viewing area here. So we can fix it. Let's do this. So hold this like this, okay, and then fold it this way and push and fold like this. Okay. So maybe you may just carry this just like this, maybe in your pocket or in your book, and then when you need to use it, you can just open it. And you can place your smartphone like that. And then what we're gonna do is, okay, on this corner here, what I'm gonna do is, I'm going to fold it in half, like this. And push hard with your fingernail. Okay. Now, it is a little bit, maybe might be confusing, but let's take a look. Now open. Okay. And open only this side only. Okay. Do you see kind of a square in the middle section here? Let me flip it over. You see that square in the middle? Okay. So now create this square area, these lines. Here, 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 and here. Now we are almost done. Okay, so now I can see the more clear square in the middle. Now flip it over. Keep this side, this pyramid here. Then open this left flap, and then with this finger, push the middle from the bottom to the top. So what we're doing is we're kind of forming another pyramid inside the triangle things. Okay. And this line, you see that here? It's a kind of a little bit opposite way, so you may want to fold it with your fingertips. It doesn't have to be super accurate. Okay, now push. You see that? I'm kind of forming the triangle inside here. This is the pick, and push this inside, this entire thing. and cover up with this. Okay. And push hard. Push in. You may want to check. See? From the other side. I'm going to fold it harder. And then to get a more precise shape, I'm going to fold it this way and push hard. I think I'm done. It looks like a boat, sailboat. So let me say I carry this in my pocket or in my book, like a bookmark. And then when I need to use it, just open it, place on your table, and then your smartphone goes on top. Oops, here. Okay, then since we lowered this pic, so my viewing area is more secured, so it looks better. So I used this paper, but also I made another one using my kind of a scrap paper. Yeah, I don't know, it's a kind of some document, but I don't use it. So before I dump it, I just made this one. So this or this. Okay, yep. So I hope you enjoy this. It's a little bit different content today, but I really enjoyed this and I hope you enjoyed it. Okay, thanks for watching and see you next time.